welcome back for another video. I am so excited. Today is going to be our unboxing of our Boxycharm. For those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, it's a 21 monthly subscription. You basically get about 4 to 5 items full size, and it always comes out more than $21, so you definitely do get your Boxycharm worth it. I'm not sponsored in this video. So the way I'm going to be doing this, you guys, is I'm going to show you guys the products one by one, let you know what they're for, and then we're going to go ahead and try on these products today. So I knew what I was sort of getting already in the boxes. I did do these spoilers, and I did find out exactly what was in the box already, but I did do my face off camera so that this way it was ready for us to go and basically dig into the products. So for the first one, I have the Alamar Trio set. It basically comes with 3 brushes. What looks like to me is like a crease brush, one that you can use like to smoke out, and then one like a packing brush, which is really, really good. And now I'm going to open it here and take a look at these brushes. So as you guys can see, it's really good quality, really, really pretty. And I love the color of them. I've never had green brushes before, so definitely something to try out. So next item in the box, I have the Baked Blush and Brighten Bronzer. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what this looks like here on the camera. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it, but it's really pretty. It has like this very pink looking color. It's almost like a corally looking color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Oh, it's really pretty. So it actually has like a little bit of a sheen to it. You guys can see. It has like a little sheen to it. Nothing too much. So this is pretty. Can't wait to put this on. The next thing I see in my box is the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. And that looks like this. It basically has a roll-on felt tip, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this one out too. I've never had a roll-on liner and I've never used it before, so this will be my very first time trying it on with you guys. And the next item in the box is my Lorac Pore Pro Liquid Lipstick. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Sienna. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Ooh, it's a pretty color. And this is what the color looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's like a warm brown type, but like with a hint of like orangey to it. It's really, really pretty. Can't wait to put this on my lips as well. And the last item I see in the Boxycharm is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. And this one is really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is what the packaging looks like, you guys. And then when you open the palette, this is what the palette looks like. It's really, really pretty. It has like a ray. It's really a cool tone palette, as you guys can see. Cannot wait to try this. So let's get right into the video, you guys, and let's try on these products. lipstick a lot. It is really pretty, very hydrating. I don't feel like it's like super drying on the lips. This one was really good. This Boxycharm overall for me was a very good Boxycharm. The only thing I could say honestly that is a con for me would be the fact that this lip color does not go at all with the eyeshadow that I made, but it will have to do. So if you guys want, definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see more videos, definitely subscribe, comment. And if you do guys want to catch me up on my lives, I do lives on Instagram almost every other week, and I do makeup videos and makeup looks. And if you guys want to see this future makeup looks on this channel, then go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys.